Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we have these Bluetooth speakers and they need to be repaired. So let's start repairing this as soon as possible without wasting time. Um, this one the customer said it's, you see, it's not switching on. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it doesn't. No, pressing the switch, it's not responding. Let me plug the charger and see. Is this thing charging? The red light is just showing. But even if I remove it, the red light is still there. But anyway, they complained about each switching on. So, oh, now you see it. So that means the switch is having problem. That means the switch is having issue, right? And this one is having charging issue. It's not charging. So let me know where you're watching from, and let's see how we can repair this. How is the quality so far? Let me check the quality. Okay. The quality is good. The quality is good. Let's start. Okay. Which one should we start with? Let's start with the one that is very easy. Let's replace this charging port first. Then we can check the other Bluetooth speaker. Let me know where you're watching from. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. Let's go. Where are you watching from? Let me know where you're watching from. Then it's cool here. Okay. It's cool. This one is not opening. This thing is not opening. Okay, they're already open. Hello, welcome to the live. Welcome to my live. Okay, one is out again. Okay. And this guy is, what is happening inside here? They've tried to check the speakers. I hope this thing is working. I don't want to waste my time repairing the charging ports. Then at the end of the day, it's not working. See, there are a lot of wires, broken wires, you know. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Let's remove it first. It is a PCB already. But there's a memory card inside. No power it on. No power. What is this red light for? battery is right in the middle. This is the solar panel next to the battery. Network antenna. This guy is the speaker, the last one here. I don't want to forget these things, eh? Speaker. Okay, speaker, battery, solar, antenna. Speaker, battery, solar, antenna. Okay. There's a antenna, solar panel. Why is it so hard to come out? Solar panel, battery is always red. But on some devices it cannot be the red though. So the battery is out. One more. This battery has moved finally. Maybe this battery was not soldered properly. Let's resolder the battery first. The battery slot is, when I removed it, it just came out easily. So remove that. These are the speakers. Oh wait, what did I wanted? I wanted to check if the speaker is good. Okay, let me remove it. The battery. Let me put voltage from my DC power supply. Okay, voltage from my DC power supply. Let's see if it's going to power on. Before I waste my time on the, so what I'm just going to do is to ground this. I'm using 4.3 volts to 3 amps approximately. So if I connect this, any light, no light, let me toggle to the other side. Okay, it's switching on. I can see the light blinking right here. Okay, so that means the Bluetooth is working. We just need to resolder the battery leg that was out. Then we replace the charging ports. Or some people will say charge ports. I don't know why these things add. Get out. Okay. Speaker. All right. So we put this one on the side, not too far anyway, somewhere here. So we can resolder. Where's the battery? The battery has magnetized with this thing. All right. So we need to solder this. It's very hard. All right. Yeah, man. So. It came out from this side. So we're just going to put it back. Then we can replace the charge port. All right. So let's flux. It's very important you use your flux. Flux. Let me zoom in. Aha. I hope you guys can see better. So I'm going to flux first. Why do we use flux? Why do we use flux? To make the soldering smooth. All right. And for it to grasp wherever it's supposed to hold. I'm scratching this because I saw blackish stuff on the metallic connectors. So that is why I'm scratching it. It's very important. place it back, press it hard. Then we should try soldering from the back side so that it will enter. Oh, sorry. I've already moved this thing away from. Okay. Okay. Alright. So let me add flux here too. Alright. Then we grab our solder wire. The soldering iron. You apply and you press down so that it will go to the other side. So that it flows to the other side. And there you go. Perfect soldering. Perfect soldering. You see that? We only soldered from the back side, but the solder came in to the front side. That is it. Perfect soldering. Perfect soldering. All right, let's go to the charge port. The charge port. Should we use PCB holder? I think we should. I don't know. Let me try. Ah, well. I thought it would work. Wait. No. Okay. Finally, the PCB holder works. So let's replace the charge port. Should be very easy to do. But the problem is, this charge port, I don't think I have exact same one. Let me check. I'm not sure. I thought I bought it sometime. Yeah. I think this one should work. Let's hope it will work. Okay. So let's take this out. And it's out. It's out. So the most important legs are the negative and the positive. That's all. You don't need any other legs. So we need to suck out these guys. Okay. These two legs, those two parts are very important. then the new one. It does not enter, it remains small. So I'm going to press it a little. I'm going to press the legs a little. Minutes more. Okay, and we are in. But what we are going to do is we need to apply some 183-degree paste on the we apply it here, but we are not going to solder it. We're going to leave it like this. Then when we apply it on this leg, this is going to melt obviously, and it will hold this part. It will grip it. Okay, so that's the aim. That's the aim of putting that stuff there, right there. So let's put the charge port. Okay, it's secured right now. Position it very well. Then we apply our solder lead. Very easy. Just to apply, little sense. Let's apply the flux. This thing showing here. Let's apply the flux. Okay. Then you get your very hot soldering iron with good precision. Okay, as I'm eating it, my aim is to melt the previous solder lead I put on the front. You remember that front side? Okay, so the second side, so make sure you apply lead on all the legs, on all the, just to secure. Make sure your soldering iron is very hot anyway, so that it can do the job very well. Okay. Okay, perfect job. Perfecto. Okay. So the next thing we are going to do, I'm going to examine from the microscope to see if the legs are aligning. And the legs are aligning. They are aligning. Okay. So I need to move it closer. So the pins, I need to solder the pins properly. Some pins are not aligning well. I just need my tweezer to bend it a little so that it can sit on where I want to solder it. It's as easy as that. It's not hard to do this type of job. There is no capacitor There are SMD capacitors on it. There are SMD capacitors on it. So I'm applying my solder paste right on the legs so that when I solder it, it will melt fast, mix with the factory solder, and come together for a solid grip. Okay, you don't need to rush when you are doing this type of job, so that your customer don't complain. They don't bring the job back to you and say, hey, my brother is not good, what you did for me is not good. So like this is the way I solder this thing is better than factory. It's better than factory. It's very solid. It's unmovable. So let's put the charger and see all this my mouth that I've been making all this while. Let's see if it's going to work. Okay. Let's see if it's going to work. But when from the inside right here, I saw that that thing inside has already, so let me create some space for it from the inside. Just need to lift that black stuff inside that connects to the pad. It's as easy as that. It's not hard, right? All right, if you follow the instructions the way I'm saying it, you should be fine. Let's connect the charger and see. Okay. Let me add some light here. Hold on. Let me add some light. Okay. You have some light now. So yeah, connecting. There is no light. Where is the? Okay, maybe because there's no battery inside. Let's put the battery. Wait. Let's read the voltage, output voltage, before we put the charger. Let's read the output voltage from the output voltage first from. I don't know if you guys can see this thing. The lights. Okay. So we should expect 5 volts from the diode, from this diode. There is a diode here. So it's allowed current to pass through in one direction. So the black on the GND and supposed to have 5 volts. We are not having the 5 volts. Let me check the front side. 5 volts is not present. Let me check the charging ports. .3 volts is coming out from the charging port. That's very bad. You see, guys, 1.4. That means the charging port is not good. 1.4 volts is 1.4 volts is not good. Let me show you guys again. Or maybe I should try another charger. Oh, there is no more voltage coming again. Let me try a different charger. Let me try a different charger. Please help me grab that charger. Thank you, sir. Yeah, on this. Let's use another charger and see. A different. Let me remove that. It's very hard. Let me try a different charger right now. Let me use orange from a different adapter. Okay. Now let's try. Let's see. No lights. Okay. Let's take readings. Okay, I think you guys can see it from there. Okay. So this is how to and this one is not giving me even any reading at all. It's not giving any reading. So that means this charging port is not good. Let's take it out. Charging port is bad. So sometimes the charging port can be bad, as you can see. Charging port can be bad. Let me take it out. Let me take it out. You see what I saw that is very hard. It's not even coming out very soon.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mal.
Yes, sir.
Hey, are they okay? Oh? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
It's very hard. Look at that. Very hard. Very strong. You see what I worked on? Very strong. That's how to do charging. We want it to last. Just follow the instructions and you get good results. So let me put the charger again while the charge port is out. Let me check the red all right, let's take another reading. If it give me 5 volts, I'm going to put it back. You see 0 volts. That means this charging port is not good. Let's get another charging port. Let me check this one. Okay. These charging ports are not good though. This one is also not reading. I've wasted my money. I've wasted my money buying charging ports. So, guys, I hope you guys can see what I'm seeing right now. Let me use a different charge port. This is crazy. It's crazy. I've wasted my money on this. That means everything is not working. Let me check a different charge port. Should I use this one? Okay, let me check this one. Okay. Put this one aside. Then check this one. Let's read this. So sometimes the charging ports might be bad. This one too is not reading. Is it my charger? Let me check this one. Let me check this orange one. Hey, it reads now. We have 5 volts. We have 5 volts now. This thing is crazy, bro. We have 5 volts now. Let me check it again. All right, let me check the previous charge port, the one I condemned. This one. Five volts. Okay. What about the one I removed earlier? Is it because I didn't read it properly, or what's happening? Ah, this one is really it's really I don't trust that charging port, Jerry. Let me show it to you. This new one. Let's read this new one. I don't trust that charging port. I'll put another one. Let's take readings of this one. Yes, we have our 4.9 volts, which is also 5 volts. This is good. Let's put this one. Let's put this one. Let's put this one. Let me check the okay, I need to suck out this guy first. I'll put this guy's back. Put this one also back. Okay, I need to suck out that where is that? Okay, so let me suck out the holes first. Sucking it out with my desoldering wick. Where is this thing always? Suck it out first. Yeah, it's out. Okay, that's out too. So let's put this new one. Let's see if it's going to work or not. Okay, it goes inside, straight, right inside. Right inside. So the previous trick we use, applying we apply the 180 degrees solder paste right on the pad. Right on the pad, that's the first thing. Then we press it with this one so that it will solder under. So we grab it under. That's the aim. Okay. Okay. I have positioned it very well. Now the next thing to do is to solder it. Okay. So while soldering, first let's apply the flux. Okay. All right. Then where's that? Then we use this guy. Still not. Okay. And this guy is coming out. It's coming out. So I hold it so that they melt the 183 degrees so that can melt the other side. Okay. Let me secure it properly. So the iron is getting cold. What was happening? Okay. All right, I've secured that side. The other side as well. All right. Then this side. Then this side. Hold it so that it can heat up and melt the 183 degrees solder that we put. Right, before we solder the old stuff, let's take our readings again, just to see that our 5 volt is coming. Okay, just to check. What am I doing? Okay, just to check if the 5 volt is present. Okay, before we solder the legs. The 5 volt is not. What? Why is the 5 volt running away? Let me use my. Maybe I'm not putting it where I'm supposed to. Hold on, guys. Let me read that, then I will show you. Let me read first. I don't know why the voltage is. Is there any short on this PCB? The 5 volt is not coming. What's making this thing to disappear? I don't understand what is making this thing to disappear. Let me put it again. I think I'm going to use another. This charging port is doing crazy. I don't know what's going on. Or is it my multimeter? Yes, I'm going to use another charging port. This charging port is doing crazy. Maybe the heat is disturbing it. I don't know. Let's take it out. Let me use the one I normally use before. This one is doing crazy. Where is the charge port? Yeah, let me use this one. This guy is dreaming. He's dreaming gish gish. He's dreaming bang bang bang. Dreaming bang 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 bang. Let me put another one. This time around, I'm using a different one now. Okay, so I'm going to modify this one. I'll show you how I modified it. So you can also modify it. Where's my plier? So this one comes straight. Sometimes this thing can be crazy. Mess me up, man. Wanna mess me up? All right, this is how you see that this one was pointing, but I bent it so to look like this. I bent it to look like this. Then this one goes straight and this one goes straight. Instead of covering like this, it's now straight. Okay, so that's what I'm going to. Let's try this one. That one is doing me somehow. I don't understand. Sorry. Oh. All right, let me flatten this guy then. Flatten it up. Put sometimes doing only charging port can frustrate you. Imagine. That's good. And it's the most easiest thing to do on this job. But sometimes it can frustrate you, man. Okay, so I'm going to use the microscope so that I can see what I'm doing. All right, thank you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button if you are still watching. Let me hold it. Okay. All right, I'm going to solder it on the left and the right from the back side. This is another method. The method is very good as well. Okay. Just make sure that it is soldered properly. Each legs are grabbing where they are supposed to grab, and you are good to go. Okay. All right. Let's complete the soldering. Okay. Add more solder on that part, on this part, on this part. Then we are good to go. Now let me just complete the soldering of the legs. Hello, sir. 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay. Let me check my voltage. Yes, and I have my 5 volts. I have my 5 volts now. You can see from the lights blinking right here. the 5 volt is present now. So I think that charging port, these ports that I used were very bad. They were supposed to work properly, but they were bad. They were bad. So give me a minute, I'll be back right now. Daddy. All right, sir. Okay. And we have a working charging. No, that's it. That's just it. That's how to work. That's how to work on these things. Okay. Know how to read with your multimeter so that you know the voltage is coming or not. All right. So let's assemble this one. Let's assemble this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Don't hesitate to ask. Where's the battery? So we had the battery right here, and it's on, off, on. So we have the solar panel next to the battery. For the solar panel, we add the speakers on the left and the right. And this speaker is out. Let me solder the speaker. I'm going to solder the speaker now. Okay, where's my plier? Plier. Cut this off. Apply some flux so that it can suck it in properly. So perfecto. Put the speaker back, connect it right here. Okay, let's switch it on.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Low battery, please charge.
Low battery, please charge. We are going to do the charging. Where's the charger? Right here. It's charging now. Let's connect it before we couple it. Let's connect with a phone. Maybe it's going to play music.
Speaker. Do not decide it. Should not.
Or should not? Okay. Thank you. Let's play song. Let's play something.
For the solar.
Huh?
For the solar.
Yeah, the solar is connected.
That's there. Now close to the microscope base.
Okay, this one.
Yes.
No, this is not solar, it's antenna.
Okay.
Okay, we have the Bluetooth connected. Let me see if there's any song I can play. Just sound, not song. Any sound. I don't know. Okay. We are good. It's playing music. So we are good to go on this one. So we need to assemble it now. Yeah, we need to assemble it now. Let's go. Where is that? The antenna. Put the antenna back. Okay. So it's time to put this back inside. I hope I will get it the way they put it. Okay, the keys are facing up. Speakers are coming out already. Okay. Then all the wires should pass in here. This thing. Where is this battery supposed to be? Battery is not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be here. Okay, yeah. Battery is supposed to be there. Bring all this together. All these things must pass through the hole, so that when we clip it together, it's not going to break. Okay. This one is already coming out. Okay. We are good to go. Let's put the screws right inside. Screw it. Okay. Okay, that's good. Let me put it here. It can be balanced. Alright, so we are good to go. The battery is low. Battery is so low. Let's allow it to charge a little. Alright, and we have this one. The old Baba said sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. See? Does not work. Alright, let's open it up. Where is the knife? Is the knife there? No knife. The screws are always hidden in these speaker gaskets. Always hidden in the speaker gaskets. Very easy to identify where the screws are. Okay. We have 3 here. We have 3 there. 6 in total. Okay, we have removed the screw. Let's remove these guys so we can hold it open. Is there any more screw? Some screw now. Why is it so hard to come out? And it's so hard. Where is the other screw hidden? See hidden here? Ah, it's hidden here. People are crazy, bro. If not for experience, I wouldn't have known that the screw is right there. You see, and it came out easily. Ah. Okay. Let's take out the machine. All right. And I can find some rust on this. On this I can find rust. But that's, and this thing is not charging. This thing is not charging too. Ah, this man is going to pay a lot of money. Ah, this man is going to pay money. The charging port is also, they forced it. Then it came out by force. That's what I can see from here, but it's fine. Let's focus on the main issue first. It was funny now. Why is it not switching on again? This switch is having problem. This switch is having problem. Let's take it out. Let's take it out. Okay. Let's see how this thing is before we take it out. And it's oily. Somehow the oil is right inside this thing. Oil. Okay, the battery. Look at it now. Okay. The battery, the red. Okay. No. See one here. Red. Speakers. Just one speaker next to the battery. Speaker is next to the battery. Okay, let me take it out like that. This is the light also next to the battery. The torch. I don't know why this thing is always hard to remove. The torch. Antenna. Antenna is on this side. Does this guy here? Or solar panel. So speaker was here, light was here. Solar panel is the next guy after the antenna. Okay. And it's out. It is freaking out. Now this switch is having an issue. Let's see what we can do. I don't know what I can do, but let's try. Okay. I'm thinking I should let me see if I can work it without removing that switch. The switch. So I open the back of the switch like this. So I want to check inside. What is really going on inside? Can I remove this thing? I hope I don't make mistake. I'm already breaking it too. I think I should remove this thing. Let me remove it. Let me remove. I'm going to remove this thing, guys. I don't want to break that switch. I don't have another switch to replace. I don't have another switch to replace it with. Let's go. Sorry if you cannot see what I'm doing. Oh, I'm sorry. Just watch by faith, okay? I want to remove that switch. Should come out easily like this. This is hard, oh my people. It's coming out small, small. Okay, one is out. One is out the other side. I really hope I'm able to put this thing back. Okay. 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 Yes, it's out finally. See rust everywhere. Rust. Right on switch. Rust. Even on this guy too. Rust. So we have to clean it. We have no way. No other option. We need to clean. We need to clean, 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 clean. We need to clean, 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 clean. Let's clean the rust away. Now this thing can contact again back. Cleaning, 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 cleaning. Okay. Let's pull it back. Sliding left and right. Okay. Let's put a battery. I'm sliding as I'm putting the battery, I'm sliding just to check. Okay, it's on, it's off. It's on, it's off. It's off, it's on. It's off, it's on. Okay, it's still shaking. It's still shaking. Let me see if I can press it down a little. Or scratch. I'll try to scratch those inside part. Sorry, don't see what I'm doing. I'm sorry, okay? Just yes, opening mouth more. I want this mouth thing to close. Mara ti ba ye je. Okay, let's put it again and see. And it's working now. Off, on, on. Okay, off, on, off, on. Okay, it's better, but I've not enjoyed it yet. Let me scratch. Let me scratch this guy. Okay, then scratch the other side. It's very rusty. Why do I scratch? For proper contact. Proper contact. See? Off, on, off, on. Very easy. On, off. All right, we are good to go. Let's put back the rubber. I think I broke it when I was. So let me try and melt it together. Melting together. Okay. Successfully melted. So okay. So now what we need to do is to solder this iron back. Let me remove the battery. Problem. The battery is a big problem. So I'll try and solder this back. Okay. solder the back. Bounce me over. So this guy has to go inside and sit properly. He has to go inside and sit properly, my brothers, so that you can have a good connection. I'll press it down so that let's see if it works. It must work. Very hot. It's very hot. Everything has scattered though. I can still see the pieces. Okay, I'm going to use a different approach now. I'm going to use a different approach. I'm going to remove all the solder here. That's the first thing I'm going to do. So that okay. Then I'm going to suck out the solder here on the pad. Let me do it the easy way. Let me do it the easy way. This thing is messing with me, bro. So I'm going to suck it out first. I'll suck out the parts. So that when I insert it, it will sit properly. And that's the best way. Okay, finally. Now let's put it again. Hey, don't run away, my bros. I don't have any other way. Okay, so I'm going to this one right on the edge and this one. Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, it worked. It worked, dude. It worked, dude. I need soda paste. All right. Aha. So I'm going to melt more stuff. Yes. Okay. So since we have this guy right here, okay, I'll just need to grip this guy down. So should come down. Yes. And this guy is going to cover from the back side. Ah! Ay, 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 ay. I've soldered you now. Why are you not soldering? Let's try it again. Okay. So I'm going to add more LEDs. LEAD. What's supposed to grab is out, so let's scratch the sides. This thing can be so annoying, man. Sorry. Uh, I think I need to look for another switch. This switch is not, the switch is not working. The switch is bad. It's bad, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad. Oh man. This Bluetooth speaker can give me headache. Any suggestions? What amplifier is this? Is a Bluetooth amplifier. Bluetooth speaker, music amplifier. I don't have a spare. Okay. Let's repair the charging ports. We'll come back to that later. Let's repair the charging port. The charging port is bad. Let me check the first one we did earlier. Why is this guy not? Why was it not working? It's working now. This thing's crazy.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth mode.
It's okay now. It's okay now.
Bluetooth. Bluetooth mode.
Why is it restarting all the time?
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth mode.
Okay, this is good. This guy, man. unless we're going to work a permanent switch right on this guy. Let me see if I can do that. Let's see if we can maneuver that right on this guy. Okay, we'll make a jumper. So that's the battery. Okay, why is it not on? Battery low. Let's repair the charging port first. Let's repair the charging port. It's almost without the lead to pass. Okay. Solder. Then so one of the parts on the charging port is peeled off. Parts is peeled off, and I think it comes right to the diode at the back. In the meantime, let me just scratch here. Light flux. Then I'm gonna make a jumper from there. I'm gonna make a jumper from right there. And put some leads on the charging port's legs. And I'm going to Okay. So I need to make a jumper now. Okay, so this should charge now. This should charge now. Let's try it. Let's try it. As a charger. Still not charging. Let me read voltage reading. It's the 5 volts is getting here. There's no indicator right here. Let me plug in the charger and see. And it's charging. And it's charging. So it's charging. The charging problem is sorted. The next problem that needs to be sorted is the power switch. The power switch. And it's switching on. I don't know why I've made a jumper, but why is it not? Okay. Okay. Let's make the jump. Okay, let me connect the speaker. Connect the speaker. The speaker is broken. The speaker is soldered back. I think the speaker was right on the side for you. Okay. Okay. Goes back off. Okay. What if he wants to change it to FM radio? What if the man wants to change it to FM radio? Okay, you can use the button to change the station. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Let's do it. Let's connect permanently. Okay. I understand. Let's see the mode. The mode is this one. Okay, we have the FM mode now. We have the FM mode. Okay. So the man needs antenna. Okay, and the LED lights. LED light was, I knew it. The LED light was here. So it's working properly now. But it's just that the man is going to be using it like this. Or I can try get a switch for him. I don't know. I'm not sure about that. So yeah. Yeah, this is how it's going to be for now. Okay, I'll go and talk to the. I'll talk to the man to see, just to know if he's okay this week or not. So let's couple it. Let's couple it. Let's couple it. Oh, the antenna is also very important. The antenna is also very important. The man said he needs antenna. So how do we go about this now? I don't have antenna. I don't have antenna. Yes, we are going to end the stream now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate. I'm going to see you in another live video. Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.